Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Mohammed working as a senior software developer at Brainsai. Today we are going to show you an exciting thing which is related to the MCP server, how you can create your own MCP server and you can do your task, assign tasks or create tasks. So let's get started with Agent Flow V1 and let's see how we can create a MCP related agent flow. And basically the concept of the MCP is like right now when you go in your like for an example, you have a meeting after or you want to set up a meeting tomorrow or somewhere with your team members or anyone. You don't have to just go in your calendar and do that all manual thing. With MCP server you can just create your own MCP custom server, any type. Right now if I can show you, right now which we have right now, which we are offering right now, is Brave, Search MCP, Postgres and other MCPs. And here we have custom MCP. So custom MCP I will be explaining like how it's going to be working. So for example, you want to set up a meeting, but you will just, what you will do, you just go here and just say like you just send a request like set up a meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. with these members, and the AI will just go and do that job for you. So you can do plenty of things. So today we are going to work on to do app, basically a, you can say a to do MCP server, which I will show you as we go through this. So if you can see here, we have a code. I have created a small MCP server here on node based. It's a node based. So let's run this and you can see and brainwise to do MCP server running on Studio. So let's go back here and let's create our MCP server. So yeah, first thing is first, you need this one and you have to give the command. Right now we are on local, so I will be giving this, it's a local directory command. I mean server config, like where the server is, where is it situated and how it can contact that. So let me add that. So here we go, we expand this and just add here this like node. We are actually, as we run this, like node index.js. So you have to just give that directory, and I have given it in that. Let's save it. And to get this activated, like to see those all options, you, if it is not appearing, you just have to save that. So let me save that, and MCP custom to do. So you can see here, if the list is not appearing, you just have to save that and you can then see that. Okay, so what we will do here, just select the add to do. We have multiple functions here: delete to do, list to do, update to do, complete to do, and yeah. So we can, let's select the both and let's select one for now. So let's create. So for this, we would need an agent tools for do executing the all tools and things, and we would need a, let's select chat OpenAI. You can select any. I will go with chat OpenAI. You just have to connect the credentials, and we will go with GPT-4 mini latest right now. And what else we have? Yeah, memory. It's important. You really have to let's add this one, SQLite memory, and let's connect this to MCP tools. This one also is going to here. Chat model is going to be connected like this. And what's left? Okay, yeah, we need to start. So we would need this one here. Let's give it a. So this is going to connect with sequential node. Okay, the start one. So yeah. Okay, so as we are using starts node, so we will have to also need an node. So yeah, this is how you can create this thing. And okay, so Here we have the start node, and here the ending, and we just named it, and we were getting an error, and just checking. So actually, I just uh, forgot to add the name here, agent name. So all set up. Let's get started, and don't forget to save that. Okay. So let's see. So we will give the prompt add priority to do for setting up the meeting tomorrow 5 p.m. So let's see what happens. So you see, the to-do item for setting up the meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. has been added successfully with high priority. So let's see if this can list us the nodes. But I think we need to change this. Okay, so remove this, and you can select multiple at once also. So this nodes, save it. So agent saved, and let's see, list my all to-dos. And one more thing, I will have to. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so I got the issue. Basically, we have to actually give the agent memory. So your prompts and everything should be uh, should be saved somewhere, right? So we will give this agent memory, and let's see now. So you see now, we have all to-dos here which we added, and basically the problem was that we were not connecting our nodes with the memory. You can connect with any node like buffer memory and others ones we have available here. So this is how you can create your custom MCP server and do multiple tons of tasks with that. So yeah, so stay tuned for more exciting and more productive videos, and um, thank you again for so much thank you again for watching this video, and see you next time.